If you want to get rich in 2025, this is how you can do it. Visit this website, as you can see, investorpath.com, investorpath.org. Okay. So once you visit the website, the next thing you want to do is to click on login. Okay. Or register. Since you are coming for the first time, you want to register. So once you register, it will take you into the dashboard. During registration, it's going to ask you some important questions. All right. So let me log in now. Ask you some important questions. And based on those questions, it's going to tell you, it's going to calculate and help you invest properly in crypto. There's nothing to learn there. This one is not come and be watching my trading signal, copy my signal, join my crypto class, join my forex class. No. Once you look at this now, if you can look at this well, you see that I told it my budget and I can change. Assuming I made mistake during registration, I can change my budget. Once you have your budget, okay, it estimates how much you're going to make in 6 months. Look at this, saying that if I invest 3 million on a month, this is taking the lowest possible money you can make, not the highest. Okay, I'll prove it to you, but because it's trying to be on the safe side. The platform is helping you play on the safe side. It's not about where you put your money and lose it. It's where you put your money and you're guaranteed it will grow. So as you can see, it's estimating 6 months returns, 1 year return, 2 years return. Okay, based on my 3 million naira budget. All right. Now, here's the next thing now. I don't want to scroll down, so I don't reveal. This is my own personal account and the investment it has told me to invest, but 2 cryptos are showing. So if you look here, it's telling me that if I invest in this particular crypto long term, I don't know if you can see it, but it's at the bottom of the screen, that in 3 months to 1 year, my platform, my money will grow times 2. As you can see, 214%, from 173 to 214%. That is if I invest in January, before around between June and December, I'm expecting a doubling of my money. That's double, right? If you look at the one under, that's 57% and 196%. It's telling me the crypto with a link. I can click on it. And so it's telling me that these things are good for long-term investment. Now, the list here is actually up to 46. Look at this. Number of crypto assets is suggested for me is 46. Can you see? 46. So it's longer. So then it goes ahead to give you investment strategy. Like here, you can already see it's telling me that this is a long-term investment strategy. When I click on this button to invest, it gives you more details about how I'll invest. Don't just dump all your money in one crypto. You have to spread it. And I'll do this, use this strategy. This is how to do that. There's a video guide in case 2 minutes. Well, I don't need to learn anything. Me, I don't like learning. I don't want to trouble my brain in 2025. That is how it is. Okay. So I don't want to scroll up so you will not see everything. But this platform helps you to tell you where to invest. Okay. Invest and go and sleep. You know, crypto will go up and go down per day, even per week. There are weeks it will go up, some weeks it will come down. All right. But generally, will it go up in 6 months, 1 year? Will this go up by how much? Will it go up times 10, times 50? If I scroll down, you see the one that is projected to grow up at least 8,000%. It's a projection. Let's even say it didn't reach that 8,000% at the end of the year. What if it does only 1,000%? That's times 10 of my money. I don't know which business you want to do that will blow your money times 10 without stress, without you working anything. So this platform does the thinking for you, searches the crypto industry, the whole crypto industry, scans all of them, does the studies, and gives you an educated suggestion. Based on that suggestion, you now go and pay. Now remember, you now go and invest. Now remember that the suggestion is not free, so you have to buy the list. Like this 46 list, I have to buy it. So when you're buying, you decide how much you buy, how much your money is. But I want you to consider it as part of your investment. If I have 3 million naira to invest, I can afford to spend 100 to 300K, okay, to buy a list of guaranteed crypto. If it's going to guarantee me that at the end of the year, this my 3 million will turn to 5 million, 6 million, 10 million, 20 million. Do you understand? 300K is nothing to me. Instead of me to just go and risk it in something that I'm not sure. Imagine buying land And after buying the land, they now make a U-turn and tell you that you have to pay the village that owns the land. You now pay village. They say you have to pay the chief of the village. After paying, you say you have to go and pay the government at the office to get C of O. You go there, those ones will start dragging you around. 5 years, 10 years, you've not gotten your paper. By the time you return there, somebody else is building there. The person has a photocopy of another paper. You now start going to court. After going to court for land, court will start going you. After 2 years of court going you, the next 2 years, land will start going you. You understand? There are some investments that are okay, but the process is just too long. You understand? There are a lot of investment. What of the business you're going to start? Are you 100% sure? What if the economy affects you? There are a lot of questions. So this platform removes all those questions and gives you straight that these ones are the predictions based on informed predictions, based on past data. Look at this, look at that. A lot of things are coming into place. Social media sentiments. This is an AI platform. It's analyzing everything to say, yes, based on everything we know, market cap, how much money people have bought, confidence of the market. This one, the trajectory is like this. It's going here. Forget what it's doing per day, whether it's going up or down per day or per week. You understand? Forget all those ones. In the next 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, this is how it's going to be. So this platform is choosing crypto that are going to do really well, not just random stuff. So go to the platform. In case you've forgotten, it's investorpath.org. Can you see it here? Can you see it at the top of the screen? Investor Path, in case you can't see it, because I know that's IN investor path.org, investorpath.org. That's the thing that is guaranteed. We have entered the crypto bull run era. If you don't invest in crypto this period, you are going to regret it for the rest of the year and for the rest of the few years coming. We have re-entered, I'll call it re-entry into crypto bull run era. Don't miss it. If you missed Bitcoin before, don't miss it. Make sure you follow me. Click my name below to follow me. And go to my page and watch my other videos. And make sure that you join the first 100 people who want to have in this group, Investor Path.